Hi everyone, here we've got REALME Narzo 10 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it, and now we have to find the notification and status bar. As you can see in the status bar we've got show battery percentage on status bar option, and after tapping on it you can see 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got inside the battery icon, and probably you cannot see it, but trust me, inside the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the battery. We can set also eyes outside the battery icon, so after tapping on it you will see that next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery, and obviously we can turn it off just by tapping on do not display, and here we've got only the battery icon left. But let me pick for example this option. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your REALME Narzo 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.